Hi everybody and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily charge your JLAB Rewind Retro 2 headphones using your phone. So, at first we have to prepare a cable that fits both into our phone and our headphones. Here I do have the iPhone 16 Pro, so we have to prepare also the USB Type-C cable. The first part of this cable we have to plug into our phone, charging port of course, and the second part into our headphones, charging port, which is over here, as you can see. No, it's not here. It's hard to find actually. Yes, it's here. We have to plug this cable here, and as you can see, our headphones are now charging. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day.